SERV Stock analysis is the buy. In this 1-minute video, I'm answering that and giving you my Serve Robotics stock analysis and price prediction. So, looking at it, previously I was bullish here. Here's the proof of me calling it out.
If it doesn't happen,
right?
Second option is if it comes, it doesn't happen, then I'm not.
Previous idea, and then I had this idea made, which by the way, it gave me like a double break. And now if the price starts going beneath, which I'm already inside this opportunity, if the price starts going lower than 1535, I'm screwed and it's going to be recorded as a -1 hour. So I'm pretty much waiting it right now. The moment I start seeing the price just break up a little bit above the highs is the moment that I put a break even on, and then I'm risk free, then I'm chill. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the photos link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. And by the way, do your own due diligence, please. Don't listen to me. This is only for educational purposes. It's all in demo and simulated environment.